Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best motocross helmets in Amazon. When you're ready to hit the trails and start off-roading on your new dirt bike, safety is the top priority. Every rider needs a quality motocross helmet to protect their neck and head in case of a tumble. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Ilm Full Face Motorcycle Helmet. If you want to avoid the grumbles of the wind, the Ilm Full Face Motorcycle Helmet is a terrific choice. It comes with dual visors. The first is to protect your eyes and face from dust and debris. It is transparent and lets you see the road ahead just as well as the second shaded visor. This protective layer prevents glare and UV damage to the eyes. The helmet itself has a sleek, simplistic design that minimizes the ambient noise. Though it is well ventilated, there are relatively few openings for air to make noise. The aerodynamic structure moves the wind around the helmet. It prevents both irritating resistance and potential noise. It meets all DOT standards for safety in its class and is designed specifically for two-wheel riding. While this helmet is a solid choice, the visor can be tricky to maneuver at higher speeds. Ensure that it is stably attached before you ride out and do a shoulder check. Number 2. GLX Youth Motocross Helmet. Featuring a stylish design with full protection, the GLX Youth Motocross Helmet is a fantastic choice for younger motocross riders. The camouflage color pattern couples with graffiti-style decals to offer an innovative appearance. Though it doesn't have a visor included, the helmet comes with both gloves and goggles for riding. It is manufactured using ABS plastic material, the industry leader in impact resistance. In terms of visibility, though the structure is highly aerodynamic, it doesn't impede sight in any way. Instead, the ventilation features work to improve the whole riding experience. By whisking in the air in a way that limits vibrations, riders can prevent distractions and focus on the road. It has a distinct chin guard, offering neck protection at the front and helping angle the head correctly. Despite being DOT certified, there is minimal protection for the base of the skull since it does not extend down far. Number 3. Ilm Adult ATV Motocross Helmet. If you are looking for something effective but want to stay within budget, the Ilm Adult ATV Motocross Helmet is a good choice. Priced affordably for any budget, this stylish helmet comes in 3 unique patterns. The helmet meets all DOT standards for safety. This is largely due to the ABS material that prevents damage relating to impacts. It has an aerodynamic build that prevents wind resistance at high speeds. It is fairly easy to maintain without impacting the appearance or function. The exterior can be washed while the padding is removable and can go in a washing machine. With a durable structure that is lightweight enough to wear for all ages, this is a comfortable riding helmet. Featuring several sizes to help you find the right fit, this is a terrific value pick. Number 4. West Cross Dirt Bike Helmet. When you're looking for a reliable helmet, the West Cross Dirt Bike Helmet is a solid choice overall. This sleek black option comes with several features that make it ideal for off-roading. The helmet is lightweight enough to wear comfortably on lengthy treks. It is designed with smart features, letting you connect it via Bluetooth to your smart devices. In terms of the helmet's protection, it is very comprehensive. Dual visors protect your eyes from both debris and sunlight. The distinct chin strap protrudes, yet remains low enough for motocross activities. Inside the helmet is removable padding that you can machine wash. This, coupled with the multiple ventilation shafts, makes this a quality helmet choice. It isn't prone to scratches and is crafted to last for a long period. Number 5. Yima Motocross Helmet. A sleek design that focuses on simplicity and function, the Yima Motocross Helmet is a versatile piece of safety gear. Starting with the outside, it is manufactured using high-quality ABS material. This is capable of dispersing force across the entire helmet, keeping impact away from the skull. It incorporates an aerodynamic design to prevent wind resistance. It also promotes breathability for the interior. This improves overall comfort. Looking at the chin guard, the helmet features a reinforced backing that is gentle on the skin. It acts to doubly protect the face in the event of an issue. This leads to the interior padding. It is gentle on the skull and works together with the lightweight design to keep you comfortable during rides. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.